man, you're a big bass a roll. And a big bass a roll. You're the big bass. I'm on a big boy ready. Big machine, up full and banging. Then no more check engine light. No more check engine light. Machine ready. So we have to test the machine then when I see we fix it. We don't know, so make sure it's in tune. You know, put it on a rev on a computer, take a test load on it and see what I run. But this car is ready, like really ready. I feel comfortable, this car is ready to go. Yeah man, big up. Yeah man, daily mobile repair, so we do it, we just fix them as they come. Getting some good cars after this. You know, I have some customer calling like crazy. Schedule some appointment to bring in, you know, a couple of days so we can check it out for them. Yeah man, peace out.